This is the Compact Row Trainer, and the company says it'll give you full-body rowing workouts in a fraction of the space. But after a week sweating on it, I realized there's more to the story than their slick marketing lets on. Can it really replace a full-size rower and disappear when you're done? Let's dive in. Compact Row Trainer Product Overview. So what even is this thing? The Compact Row Trainer, I'll call it the trainer for short, is a space-efficient indoor rowing machine designed for people who want a serious total-body cardio workout without dedicating their entire living room to a gym. It's built to fit into small apartments or spare corners, yet it offers a resistance system that gives a realistic rowing feel. There are a few machines in this category. Compact rowers from brands like Hydro, Nordic Track, and Aviron top the charts when experts compare them. Compact Row Trainer Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually row? In my week using this compact trainer, I did everything from steady-state rows to hit-style intervals. The resistance system, similar to magnetic or even dual-mode systems on compact rowers, felt smooth and consistent. Unlike high air fan rowers, it doesn't produce that windmill whir, which is great for apartments or shared spaces. During longer rows, the rail felt stable enough for a good full stroke, and even though the unit is smaller and lighter than a traditional erg, it didn't feel flimsy. The feedback loop is responsive. Every pull feels real, like your own water or very precisely controlled drag, while also engaging both upper and lower body. For someone who trains at home, this hits that sweet spot between serious workout and practical footprint. Features and tech. Here are the standout features that make this compact row trainer worth talking about. Magnetic or dual mode resistance. Many compact rowers use magnetic drag like the Hydro Wave, or a combination of air and magnetic like the Aviron Strong. What that means for you is smooth pulls, minimal noise, and a realistic feel without waking up the whole house. Space-saving design. This row trainer is way smaller than traditional rowing machines and is designed to store upright or fold. Big wins if you're tight on space. You can just lean it against the wall instead of devoting a corner to gym real estate. That's a practical win for folks in tight apartments. Interactive or app workouts. Depending on the model, there's support for on-demand classes, scenic rows, or even gamified workouts. Reviews for the Hydro Wave note access to thousands of rowing sessions via its app. That's not just row by yourself, that's row with an instructor or against others, which is huge for motivation. Solid weight capacity and build. Despite being compact, these rowers often support large users. For example, the Hydro Wave supports up to 375 pounds. That shows the frame isn't just lightweight, it's built to last. Design and build. From an aesthetic and build perspective, this compact row trainer nails a balance of form and function. The frame uses a mix of aluminum and steel, giving it good rigidity without feeling overly bulky. On the material side, it's well finished. Nothing feels cheap or plasticky when you're rowing hard. The rail length is smartly engineered. Even though the rower is labeled compact, it still gives enough stroke length to be effective for a wide range of users. And when you're done, you can move it easily thanks to built-in transport wheels or vertical storage depending on the model. That's a practical win for folks in tight apartments. Pros. Realistic, smooth resistance that's quiet and stable. Space-efficient design, folds or stores upright. Access to interactive workouts and classes. Built to last, frame feels solid and premium. Cons. Requires subscription for full access to app content for some models. Folded or upright storage still demands ceiling height or wall space. Final verdict. Here's the deal. If you're someone who wants a real rowing workout but lives in a one-bedroom apartment or needs to share your space, this compact row trainer is a killer pick. It doesn't give up much in terms of resistance or feel, yet it packs down in a way that your traditional indoor rower simply can't. On the other hand, if you already have a dedicated home gym or you're pushing for max power or performance, say for CrossFit or competitive rowing, a full-size erg like a Concept 2 might still be the gold standard. But for the average person who cares about space, convenience, and motivation, this is absolutely worth your hard-earned cash.